The Borough of Tuckerton sits on the western shore of Barnegat Bay. This story map, developed through a partnership of several programs at Rutgers University, examines how flooding from Hurricane Sandy affected Tuckerton, as well as how flooding could change in the future due to sea level rise and climate change. Tuckerton, a borough in southeastern Ocean County, has a rich maritime heritage. That heritage today is part of the connection many of its residents have with the bay and its ecosystem. As of 2012, the population was about 3,300, with a median household income of about $60,000. About two-thirds of Tuckerton's incorporated land area is tidal wetlands or open water, while about 30% of the borough is developed. The borough's infrastructure includes 2 schools, 3 community centers, 1 public library, 3 miles of road designated as an evacuation route, 1 municipal building, and 1 fire station. As of 2014, more than two-thirds of Tuckerton's land lies in a FEMA flood zone, and 1/3 of Tuckerton's urbanized land is designated as an AE flood zone, which is illustrated in red. More than 40% of the residential land use area is in a floodplain. Also within the floodplain are 8 miles of road, 3 miles of which are evacuation routes. Hurricane Sandy caused flooding, illustrated in blue, that exceeded that of a Category 1 storm surge. Floodwaters covered all of Tuckerton Beach, Parker's Landing, and parts of Scow Landing. 181 houses were considered substantially damaged and now must be elevated if rebuilt. Rutgers University scientists estimate that the sea level in New Jersey could rise between 1.1 feet and 2.3 feet by 2050, and between 2.5 feet and 5.9 feet by 2100. These ranges, along with estimates developed by others, reflect what's unknown about how various factors affecting climate change may impact sea level rise. However, these estimates all indicate a significant rise in sea level during the 21st century. With 1 foot of sea level rise, illustrated in light blue, 1.5 miles of road in Tuckerton could be persistently flooded. The area of coastal wetlands likely to be persistently submerged will extend inland west of Route 9 and across Great Bay Boulevard. A significant portion of Tuckerton Beach, including parts of residential areas, may be persistently flooded. Coastal flooding events will raise water levels higher and could put other roadways that typically do not receive flooding at risk. With 3 feet of sea level rise, illustrated in dark blue, 27% of existing housing areas could be persistently flooded. Residential areas in all of Tuckerton Beach and most of Parker's Landing may be persistently inundated, along with a section of Great Bay Boulevard and parts of Scow Landing. 1.5 miles of roadway may be persistently flooded. Municipal officials and homeowners in Tuckerton already are taking steps to help reduce the potential impact from sea level rise. Following Hurricane Sandy, the city is relocating its police station and municipal complex to higher ground. Many owners of homes that were substantially damaged in Sandy are rebuilding their houses higher and on stronger foundations. NJADAPT and these story maps were developed through partnerships within Rutgers University. Funding support for this effort has been provided by the New Jersey Recovery Fund and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Data support has been provided by the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection and the Federal Emergency Management Agency.